How to make wise grocery shopping choices. We all do grocery shopping frequently, but most of the grocery shopping is not planned and often end up in mistakes. This video gives you a way to make your grocery shopping more planned, affordable and stress-free one. Let's begin the video. Before going for shopping, here we spotted some practices which you can follow before going for shopping, to make sure your grocery shopping planned and affordable one. First one. Eat before going grocery shopping. One of the biggest unnecessary costs when it comes to the grocery store is impulse buying. Many items look good to you and some look incredibly delicious. When something is more tempting, then it's more likely to find its way into your cart. Cut down on this problem by always making sure to shop after you have eaten. It drastically cuts down impulse buys and saving you money. Second thing you can practice before going to grocery shopping is clean your fridge and cupboard. Cleaning your fridge and cupboard helps you to use up what you bought before buying more, and you will get an idea about your grocery needs. Also, it helps to turn more neat and clean with making space for new products. Third practice before going for shopping is preparing a grocery list. Grocery shopping with a list is one tool that may help people to navigate complicated food marketing environments. A grocery list can function as a memory aid. That means it helps to remember food items and avoid a return trip to the store, and a guide to limiting impulse purchases and save money. Also, with a grocery list you can determine if you have enough money to buy all the items, so you can adjust the grocery list on priority. Fourth one is plan your meal for a week. By making a meal plan before going to grocery shopping helps you to save time and wastage of food. Also, it saves money and effort. Fifth activity you can practice before going to shopping is having a budget. In fact, most people lose money through impulse buying while shopping. Making a shopping budget not only helps you to steer clear of spontaneous buying of commodities at the supermarket, but also helps you to save a lot of cash in the long run. Having a budget is a good tool to avoid credit card debt and promotes saving. Next, looking on the things we need to take care while going for grocery shopping. Shop when you have energy and free time. First thing, while going for grocery shopping you have to ensure that you have enough energy and free time. It's easier to focus and make wise choices when you've energy and aren't preoccupied. Studies show that shopping is not just about materialism. It's actually good for your mental and physical health. It releases mood-lifting endorphins, boosts your immune system, keeps your brain nimble, and even fulfills basic social needs, so you have to do shopping with energy and free mind. Second thing is shop from a familiar shop. While going for shopping you can choose a familiar store. Benefit of shop from a familiar store is you can find what you need and be able to get out with what you need quickly. There is no chance to impulse buying. Third thing is have a rethink on sale. Sometimes on sale is not a good deal, but sometimes it is. So while going for grocery shopping you have to remember that even if it's on sale, it's only a good buy if you will use it. Fourth one is fix a proper time frequency between grocery shopping. While going for shopping you have to consider the frequency of shopping. First week you can shop for that entire month, and following weekend you can buy the perishable things. Otherwise you will tend to spend more if you stop at the store every day or several times a week. Next, we are speaking about the activities you have to bother during grocery shopping. First activity you need to consider during grocery shopping is don't buy snacks on the run. Snacks are not a healthy food. It makes more problems to your health. In short, they are often less healthy and more expensive, so that buying snacks on run means buying expensive unhealthy food. Fill your cart with healthy choices. Second activity to practice during grocery shopping is buy only what you need and can afford. During grocery shopping, try to buy the things you need and can afford. It helps you to save money, time and health. Third one is check the expiry date and product details. If you stock up, watch expiry date and package during shopping to preserve the food as long as needed. Also, it will reduce risk in grocery shopping and this further facilitates informed decision making. Fourth activity is choosing a small basket for weekly shopping. By choosing a small basket, we can only collect the necessary products and it is easy to carry. It will help you to keep the budget plans and makes the shopping an affordable one. Fifth activity during grocery shopping is go with grocery list prepared before shopping and stick to the list. This activity helps to remember the items and save time. It reduces the wastage of food and money. Think before buy that whether it is needed or not. At the end of grocery shopping, you have to practice this activity. Before you hand over your hard-earned money or a credit card, ask yourself this question: do I really need it? If you only want to try one tip, make it a really good one. That one tip will likely save you the most money when you are grocery shopping on a budget. Believe us, it will definitely give result. Happy shopping and let us know feedback. And do check out our video on grocery list making and let us know the feedback on that video also.